There's something inherently fascinating about black holes. Maybe it's that they're invisible beasts lurking in space. But where do black holes come from? How do they form, and what gives them such awesome destructive power? These bizarre objects arise like phoenixes springing from the ashes of dead stars. When massive stars reach the ends of their lives, the hydrogen that they've been converting into helium is nearly depleted. So, these stars begin burning helium, fusing the remaining atoms into even heavier elements. These top layers collapse inward and then explode out as a powerful and bright burst called a supernova. Yet, a small part of the star remains behind. Albert Einstein's equations of general relativity predict that if this remnant has about 3 times the mass of Earth's Sun, the remnant star's powerful gravitational force will overwhelm everything else, and the material it's made of will be crushed to an infinitely small point with infinite density. If two black holes meet, the powerful gravity of each one will attract the other, and they will get closer and closer, spinning around one another. Their collective mass will shake the fabric of nearby space-time, sending out gravitational waves. In 2015, astronomers discovered such gravitational waves via the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, through which they confirmed the existence of black holes. Even all the existing laws of physics are tend to break at black holes. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to like the videos.